Tristan, if I skip this rock, that means we're gonna find something good out there.
I got the giggles.
If I don't skip it, that means you're not gonna find anything good.
No, you're gonna throw it wrong.
All right, here we go. If I skip it,
you need a
if I
rock.
skip it, we're gonna find iPhone 11. We're gonna find a ring and an old GoPro.
That sounds cool.
All right, cool. Here we go. If I don't skip it, we're going home empty-handed.
Please don't. Come on.
Oh, no, that skipped twice. It skipped. I'm gonna count that.
Okay, yeah.
The skipping guys are looking after. What's up, guys? Jake here. Today I'm hanging out with my buddy Tristan, and today we're teaming up to scuba dive underneath the waterfall we've never been to before. We're actually at the very top of the waterfall, and before we get underwater, I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like and also show you guys some of the gear we're using. But I'm so excited. It's freezing cold, but we can find some pretty cool stuff. What do you think we can come across?
It's really bad because our wetsuits are already wet, and we're getting into like 48-degree water, but in hopes to find iPhones, GoPros, Apple Watches, anything that people could have been jumping off the waterfall or standing by the waterfall and lose, that's what we're looking for.
So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see us team back up and search for other waterfalls and do this, leave a like. Make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channels. But with that said, let me go over to the waterfall and show you guys some of the gear we have, and then also show you guys the waterfall. So this is what the top of the waterfall looks like. That's what Tristan looks like. To get down to the bottom of the waterfall, it's actually right here. You just got to walk this trail. So let me walk it and show you guys real quick. So I'm gonna grab all my scuba gear here in a second, walk down this trail and get in the water, but that's what it looks like from above. It's like a baby Niagara Falls, and it's so beautiful. There'd be all types of stuff at the bottom of this thing, and I'm so excited to get down there and check it out. So we made it to the very bottom of the waterfall. This place is so beautiful. Check it out, man. Look at this.
Okay, I'm so excited. This place is amazing. I'm ready to jump in the water. Well, kind of. I'm really cold right
The
now.
water's freezing cold. We have all our gear. It took a while to get here, but let's get underwater and see what it looks like and hopefully find some good stuff. All right, guys, we're ready to go. So excited. Let's get in the water. Let's go, right?
Hello. Oh, you are right.
I found Phenix! Oh, that's cool. Dude, isn't this crazy? Oh my gosh. This is crazy. This is the most beautiful waterfall I've ever seen in my life. Well, Niagara Falls is pretty cool, but like, I've only swam in one. Oh, that's taking me. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is pretty cool. I'm going underneath the waterfall. All right. Here we go.
Dude, that was wild. Dude, that was funny. Where did we come up at?
We were over there, over here.
On that spot?
Yeah.
I was like,
You started swimming that way. I was like, no, this is.
I was going that way?
Yeah. I was like, you're gonna come up in that stuff. I was like, come this way with me.
Alright, hey, let's have a competition.
Alright.
A tic-tac-toe scuba diving competition. Alright?
Alright.
Don't have a rock, paper, scissors competition. I lost that one earlier. Alright, here we go.
Draw! Winner!
Alright guys, so Tristan and I, we just got done scuba diving underneath the big waterfall behind us. It was so much fun, although we had a great time. We didn't find anything super crazy good. I think my best find was a golf ball, a penny, and a puff bar. It's kind of like a jewel. What was your favorite find?
I found a knife and a Patron bottle, so that was kind of cool.
That was cool. I have to say, like, definitely the spot is a treasure in itself. If you guys haven't been here, definitely would recommend you guys to check it out. I don't think a lot of people swim here, but it's a really good scenic view. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like this in the future, drop a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. But till then, I'll see you all guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Peace. I made it first.
No, I said take the tail.
No, I touched it. I won.
Cheated.
Team Jake.
You're a cheater.